Welcome back to Phinys Garage. I'm Gray, and this is my 99 Montero, and then this is my 1996 Montero. I bought this car as a parts car for my 99 Montero because parts are very hard to come by. The time has come where we're taking this car to the junkyard. I'm going to be stripping this car of all these parts so I can maybe sell them. Maybe someone that's watching this video needs, parts on this car. It's fully complete. It's an LS with a sunroof. So if you need anything, just drop a comment, let me down below, or send me an email. I had a buddy of mine come out here the other day who has a Gen 2.5 and take some parts off the car. It took like the torsion bars, the front bumper, and a bunch of the engine component. But while he was taking the stuff off, he made it easier for me, because now I can just take the aluminum off this fan here with 4 simple bolts, as well as I can get to the intake better because there's nothing in the way. I've also got myself a container because my plan is just to strip this car of every single bolt I could possibly take off without stuff falling completely apart. Because I figured, well, I'm probably going to lose a bolt or two while working on my Gen 2.5. So all these bolts I'm taking off of here, I'm going to put this in this jar here so we'll have them on hand. Now, I've noticed a lot of these bolts, they use the same size, same thread size throughout the whole car. It's a Japanese car, so every bolt should be metric. If it's not, that means someone put it on there, a standard bolt on there, because it should be metric. This fan here, this is all aluminum. I'm going to throw away the fan. The fan's all cracked. It's not savable. There you go. There's our trash. Here's our solid piece of aluminum with a little bit of steel on the back. I'm going to switch the throttle body over to my car because it's idling really weird. It idles at like 2,000 RPMs, which is not normal. We've adjusted the throttle screw here, and it still doesn't fix it. So it could be either screw, throttle body, mass airflow. Just about every single bolt on this car is a size 12, 15, or 17. There's nothing much else other than that. So everything in the engine bay so far has been a 12. So I'm going to assume there's a 12 right there. I hope that it's just these 4 bolts that's holding this throttle body on, and it'll come right off. and it's not something down here, because I know this thing down here is connected to the throttle body. It is a separate piece. I don't know how it's going to come out. I want to show you guys how much carbon is built up on the back of this thing. Look at it. Black. But if I run my finger through there, it might be so solid, like so caked on there that I may not, my finger might come off there clean. So my finger looks like now. Okay, it comes off a little bit, not bad. That is dirty. I'll tell you what though, I bet this is going to clean up really nice. Do a deep cleaning on this. Maybe we might do a video cleaning up all the engine parts and parts we get from the car. Man, this thing's gonna look all nice and new once we clean this thing up. Look at that. It's looking pretty empty right here, like an L shape. We're making a lot of progress on getting off that intake over there, but I'm so glad we got the throttle body off and some of the smaller things as well. I've got them all laid out right here. Pretty crazy. This alternator was pretty difficult to get off, but we figured it's probably easier just to cut it off and then, you know, get it off later. But thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. If you want to see more videos on the teardown of my 1996 Montero, then consider subscribing to the channel. But until next time, I will see you later. Have an amazing day.